Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe so you can catch future videos from me. So today I have a fun haul video for you all. I went over to Hobby Lobby. I was watching Crafty Crafts by Dina, and she had mentioned that Hobby Lobby was having a lot of things on clearance. So I thought I'd go check out mine. And one of the things she had shown was this vellum. And I picked up a pack of silver 10 sheets vellum. And it was $1.24. So I thought that was a really good catch. And then I always go and look on the clearance rack, and I'm looking for fun little trims or ribbons, lace, things like that. And I had picked up a yellow, it's called Chanellet, and I think it's cotton, I'm not sure. I have to look on the packaging. But I saw these this time in the pink and the green and the blue. And it's quite, let's see, how many yards? It's 20 yards of this stuff. So I thought this would be fun to use on my spine bundle, spine dangles. I can actually use it on tags, tag toppers. I mean, all kinds of different options for this. And it's a really nice soft, it's flexible. And these were $2.24 for 20 yards, and they were normally $9. And then here's the kind of light blue one. So I now have a yellow, kind of a really gray, purplish kind of color, and then these three colors. So I thought those were a really good find there. Continuing on in the ribbons and things like that, over in clearance, I picked up this green stone trim, they call it, and then also this purple and red. Kind of starting to think about Christmas. I know it's kind of crazy, but just thinking about that. And I really liked, I originally had found this one a couple of weeks ago. It's kind of a, what is that, a peach color, I guess. And so I was excited when I found these other three colors. And here's an example of how I used them. When I saw them in the store, it's like, oh, that would be cool to cut out and add a little trim. Like here's a little envelope tag that I made. So I'm really excited about these. And they were 99 cents on clearance, and it is 2 yards. So I thought that was pretty good. And then I went over to the regular ribbon area over in the sewing, and all of it was 50% off. So I had been wanting to pick up, I think this is, what is this called? Like rickrack, I think. So I got this pretty green, and this pink here. And this is, I don't know if it's a cream or a yellow, something in that neighborhood, but really pretty. A good neutral. And then I'm always looking at the lace, looking to see what I can add. And so I thought that was a really pretty pattern. And I was looking for some narrower kind of lace trim. And these are all 3 yards, and these were all half off. It's like that was $2.50 for 3 yards, and I really like this one. It has kind of a vintage theme to it. And then I thought this white one, I just liked it. I thought it was a different pattern, a unique pattern. And again, that was $2.50. And then one last one here. I thought that one was really pretty as well. And this one was $3.99, so I got it for $2. And this is actually 4 yards for $2. All right, and then I went over and I looked at the stamp section, and the stamps were 50% off. And I thought this was really pretty. I'm really loving mushrooms, so I picked up this stamp. I liked it with the flowers and the fern branch. And so this was $3.50 for that. Not too bad. And then I went over and was looking at the Tim Holtz stuff, and all of that was 40% off. So I picked up these Distress Oxide ink pads. And so these are normally $6, so I got them for $3.50. So I picked up Speckled Egg. Excited to try these out. I have a Bundled Sage, Spun Sugar, Milled Lavender. I'm excited to see how this one looks. And then Carved Pumpkin. So I'm really excited to get these. I have a project I'm going to be doing here shortly with these, so I'm excited to share that with you all. Then I made my way over to the jewelry making area to kind of see what was on sale, and some of the different brand of beads were 50% off. So I picked up these beads. I just love all the different colors and the marbling effect on them. And these were $3, so I got them for half off of that. And then these wood beads, I thought these were really neat as well. You can kind of see all the different shapes, almost look like Cheerios. And so these were half off as well. So I'm excited. And then I'm always looking for fun charms. And this one here, I'm into bumblebees, and this was half off. But for $1.50, I thought that was a really good find. So I can't wait to put that on one of my journals. And also in the jewelry section, I picked up this patina. It was 50% off. This is a, you use it on metal, and it'll adhere to metal. And so it's a really cool patina is the brand, and it's some sort of kind of like an ink. So I'm really excited to try these out. I've watched a couple of videos on, you can kind of see the picture here beneath the price tag. How you can age up metal. So I'm excited to give that a try. And the colors that I got on this one is a coral, a sandstone, and a turquoise, which I think those are pretty. So I got that, you know, for what, a little over $6 for these three. So I didn't think that was bad at all, especially to try them out. And the last thing I picked up, I had been wanting to get some gold paper clips, and just had it in the back of my mind. And I came across these as I was getting close to checkout, and so I picked up a pack. These weren't on sale. It was $1.99, and there's 60 of them in there. So I don't know. I haven't really done the math if that's a good buy or not. But I thought I'd snag them because I haven't looked on Amazon yet to pick some up on Amazon. So, but I'm excited about that. So that is my haul. I really I got everything either on clearance or 40 or 50% off. So that's a pretty good deal. And I can't wait to kind of show you some of the different things I make with these new purchases of mine. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next video.